You guys seem to really like the slide-in intro, so guess what? From now on, we're gonna have a slide-in intro. I found it funny and apparently everyone else did too. So with that said, let's get into showing the main screen and then a little slide-in intro because y'all wanted it. The weird intros are coming. You'll probably never get rid of them. You're welcome. Welcome to Weekly Art Inspirations, guys. I hope you are having a fantastic week. I am just having, a wishing it was spring and summer weather week. But today, guys, as the title says, it is another art collab. I don't know if this is going to be the bonus video for the week or the starter video. As always, it's kind of a pony and horse show, or horse and pony show, whatever way that saying goes. With that said, I am doing a collaboration with Luke from L&J, Chillin with the Grays. Awesome channel. I have done some really fun collaborations with him. If you want to check out his channel, I will have it linked up above right now. I will also have it linked below, and at the end of the video to his awesome video doing the drawing that words, as you can tell, are not working, and I'm gonna sneeze, which isn't a good thing. I'm okay, we'll make it through. But he will have the collaboration. So right now, let me show you what I did for him, what I drew for him that he's going to be coloring in right now.
So with this work, one of the things I really tried to accomplish doing with this is I liked making, a hellhound type-esque creature, and I've always really enjoyed the idea of just creating something that's, I don't know, semi-realistic, semi-sketchy, and with this, I honestly did not use any reference, which I probably should have. There's a lot of, proportions that are wrong, but I had a lot of fun doing it just because it was something different. I always love doing kind of more bony creatures with some angry features. That rhymed. But I just, I thought it would be fun to do this type of creature, and I hope that it was to Luke's liking.
Okay, so right back from that, guys. He did this incredible work for me. I am so excited. Here, I'll bring it in close so you guys can see. It is an alien piece. I'm really excited to get working on this. So with that said, guys, we are going to head over to my desk. Be sure that if you are not already an art sprite, hit that subscribe button and that bell button to get notified whenever these crazy videos come out, because it probably won't be stopping anytime soon and we'll just keep going. We're a train wreck that never ends. Enjoy and welcome. Let's get over there.
So for any of you wondering, I am using my ohuhu markers to do this. I do use a few Copics as well, and I believe I use the Art1 Artist Loft marker. What I liked doing with this, and what I love doing with these collaborations, is the fact that it's so fun to kind of get back to the roots of drawing something and coloring something in, because a lot of times, I don't know, as I get older, I feel like I don't have as much time that I can dedicate to certain aspects of art, because if it's not making a conscious effort for a future endeavor, like, unfortunately, I do have to look at, hopefully, the YouTube channel at some point will be able to make money. I do it right now for fun, but with everything that you do art-wise, whether you put your art in galleries, whether you're submitting it any other place, a lot of times, to be realistic, you have to try and look at, in the future, can this ever make a difference or money or both, hopefully, and have something that people enjoy. And so it's one of the adult type things that you have to look at. And I love doing the collabs like this because you get to kind of forget about that for a bit. You get to enjoy doing something that you just naturally love. Like coloring books. Like, I used to love coloring books, even though I didn't like coloring inside the lines, and I would, most often than not do other things. This is just really fun because you just get to, in a way, kind of figure out what you want to do, and to me, one of the biggest things that that was kind of a shocking thing I learned once I started to get older was the fact that with a lot of this different kind of stuff, everything about art, especially coloring wise, is just shading. It's literally just doing colors and darkening them. And I think that that's a very simplistic way of looking at it, but it's something I realized as I got older of, you know, it's not as hard as you might think it is. A lot of times I think we psych ourselves out because art isn't inherently difficult. We just have to learn how it works for each of us. And I think that's kind of the funnest part about doing any of these kind of things is every time I do it, I learn something new. I loved being able to do this because I tried so many different things. It is not a normal color palette, and I don't know, it was almost fun to do a non-normal color palette because it's aliens, and I don't know, I think it's fun. But with that said, I hope you guys are enjoying this. Be sure, like I said before, to like this video, and if you have any comments about what you really enjoy about this piece or the sketch, please let me know in the comments below, or what other things you'd like to see coming up next week. Because, you know, that's always cool too. Okay guys, so this is the finished piece with Elle and Jay chilling with the Grays. Luke, thank you so much once again for doing such an awesome collab with me. I had so much fun doing this. I just want to say, like always when I do these, the back is almost as cool as the front of it because of the outline. I don't know, I find it really fun. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing this. I hope you continue to stay inspired, stay amazing, have a wonderful day. Please make sure to go check out Luke's collaboration video. He is going to finish that over on his channel. And if you want to check out and be sure to subscribe to his awesome channel right here as well as if you'd like to become an art sprite of this community, here is the subscription box right up here for us. And if you want to watch another video on my channel after checking out Luke's, be sure to head over here. Anyways guys, stay inspired, stay amazing. Remember, you are incredible. Love you guys. See ya!